Okay. All right. Okay. So
She is
Ritika,
3 years old.
she is 3 years old. Okay. All right.
Name is Sarika and another is Purvi, who lives in my village.
Okay. Who lives in your village? Okay. Wonderful. That's good. All right.
And sir, can you tell me something about your family?
My family? Okay. All right. You tell me what you want to ask, then I'll tell you each and everything.
You can tell me everything.
Everything about my family?
Yes, about your.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll tell you about my immediate family. So in my immediate family, immediate means the family in which I am living, right? So in my family, we are having 4 members. One, my mother, right? One, me, my wife, and my 9.5-year-old son, right? Is it clear? So my mother's name is Kusum Tiwari and she is 75 years of age, right? Is it clear? And my wife's name is Shweta Tiwari and she is 43 years of age. And my son, he is Bhaskar Tiwari and he is 9.5 years of age. Right, Kritika? And we are here in Sorry?
Can you repeat, sir?
Okay. Some network issue is there, right? So you are not able to hear from my side. So I was telling you that we have 4 members in our family. My mother, my wife, my son, and me. Is it clear? So
yes.
my mother is 75 years of age and her name is Kusum Tiwari. My wife is 43 years of age. Her name is Shweta Tiwari. You know my name or not? You tell me. What is my name? Okay, my name is Dhirendra Tiwari, right? And my son, he is 9.5 years of age and his name is Bhaskar Tiwari, right? All right. Okay. Anything else you want to know from my side?
Nothing else now.
Okay, nothing else. All right. Okay, I told you each and everything. All right. So Ritika, please tell me what you love to eat. Which is your favorite food?
I like ice cream, but I can't eat ice cream right now. It's very cold in summer.
Okay, all right. Okay. Apart from ice cream, what?
Yes? Ice cream, and there is something Chinese bhel. You might have tasted. Have you ever?
Chinese?
Bhel.
Chinese?
It's nice.
No, I am not aware of this Chinese, whatever it is. I do not know the name of that item. All right. So apart from that, do you love to eat chapati and roti or chapati and sabji or not? Do you love to eat vegetables?
It is cauliflower.
Okay, you love to eat cauliflower. All right, that's great. Wonderful. And tell me the name of the fruits you love to eat.
Fruits, apple, banana.
Yeah.
Apple, banana, and watermelon.
Apple, banana, and watermelon.
Yes.
And what about mango? Do you love to eat mango or not?
Yes, but not now because it's very cold. I told you that.
Oh, all right, okay. So are you suffering from cough and cold? You are having this cough and cold, I believe. You are coughing as of now. Okay, all right.
Yes,
so have
sir,
you taken any medicine? Have you taken any medicines or not?
If I take medicine, I will have more cough. Because the doctors in there is one doctor. My father, they say that he's a nice doctor. But when when my father took my 9-month-old sister Akshita, then he gave her some medicine. But now she's crying at night.
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. So do you play with your sisters or not? Younger sisters?
What's that?
Ritika, I was asking you, do you play with your younger sisters or not?
Yes, I play, but I like to play on the text.
Sorry? Sorry, Ritika? Ritika, please come up again.
On the terrace.
On the terrace, okay. All right. So what type of games you love to play with your friends or with your sisters?
With my sisters, I like playing hide and seek.
Okay. All right. You love
Hide
to
and
play
seek
hide and seek a lot.
here and there.
Okay, yes. And apart from that, what other games you love to play?
Pillow
Hide and
fight.
seek? Pillow fight. Oh my God. All right. With whom you?
With my sisters and my father. When my
With your
father is,
sisters and your father.
my father will
Okay.
put the bird. He will try throwing the pillow on us, and we will try running.
Oh wow. Oh, all right. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. That's great. Nice. Nice. And which is your favorite subject? Which subject you like the most?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay. All
And
right.
sir, tell me
And
something
time.
about your favorite food, fruit, or drink.
Sorry, Ritika. I'm not able to hear from your side.
Uh,
Hello.
sorry, I was trying to say that something which your favorite vegetable, fruit, or some drinks which you like.
Okay. See, my favorite. Favorite vegetables, lady finger. We call it as Hindi in Hindi, right? Lady finger, right? Potato, right? And favorite dal, uh, yellow dal. Means I love to eat each and every type of dal. All type of dal that are available in the market, I love to eat that, right? And yes, I also love to eat dal rice also, rajma rice also, right? Okay. And as well as favorite fruits, all fruits are very, I'm fond of fruits. I love to eat all type of fruits. And especially mango. Especially mango I love the most. Yes.
Even but I can't eat right now.
Right now it's okay. Right now you are suffering from cough and cold. But when the summers will come, so definitely you will have those mangoes.